Welcome to Goodwe training series. Today we will take you through the ET5 to 10 kW unboxing and installation. Unboxing. Here is the ET5 to 10 kW series box. In the box, there is a mounting bracket, an accessory box, AC output cover, smart meter, and the inverter with 2 communication cables. Here are the components included in the accessory box. Introduction of the inverter. Take a look at the appearance of ET10K from different views. Height is 516 mm, width is 415 mm, and the depth is 180 mm. Here are the indicators. Here is the backside of the inverter. We can see ET10K takes a no-fan design. On the left side of the inverter, you could find the LED status information label. And on the right side, you could see the technical information label. Bottom views of the ET10K. There are many ports. The meter and BMS cables are already attached on the inverter. Installation of the inverter. Here are the major tools prepared for the installation of ET5 to 10 kW series. Now we need to install the mounting plate to the wall, then hang the inverter on the mounting bracket. After it, do not forget to tighten the safety screw and fix the ground cable on the inverter. Preparation and connection of DC side. Here are the PV connectors and PV cables with a cross-sectional area of 2.5 square mm to 4 square mm. Use wire stripper to strip the wire insulation layer to a suitable length. Then insert the wire into the terminal and compress it tightly with crimping pliers. Insert the wire into the positive DC connector and screw up tightly. Same process on the negative DC connector. Keep the DC switch off, unplug the MPPT protectors and insert the DC wires. Connection of battery side. Make power cable connectors for the inverter side. Please use the right battery plugs in the accessory box of ET inverter. The cables should be with a conductor cross-section of 4 to 6 square mm. Strip off the wire for 15 mm. Open the spring using a screwdriver if it's locked. Carefully insert the stripped wire, make sure the wire head past the spring. Close the spring until hear a click sound. Push the insert into the sleeve, turn both sides to tighten the connector. Make sure the connector is tight enough. Follow the above steps to make another connector. Then we make power cable connectors for the battery side. Strip off the wire for 33 mm. Then put the connector nut through the cable. Replace the white seal ring inside the power connector with a red seal ring. Fold conductor in half and put it into the copper tube. Then crimp the power cable. Tighten the nut. When the connectors of power cable have been made, follow the above steps to make another connector, too. Then connect the connectors to battery terminals of inverter. And plug it in. And then we connect the other side to the battery power connector on the PCU box. You can use any one of the 2 power ports of positive-negative port. The reserved one should be protected using a cover. Connect the power cable to battery positive and battery negative. Thread the cable to the waterproof module. Plug it into the COM port of the battery PCU box, in this place. And tighten the nut. The 2 communication ports are the same. You can connect the cable to any one of the 2 communication ports. Preparation and connection of AC side. Route the AC cables through the AC connector, waterproof module, and the AC cover. Strip each wire insulation layer of the 5-core AC cable to a suitable length. Insert the striped wires into the terminal, then compress it tightly. Connect each AC wires in the order of L1, L2, L3, N, PE and screw them tightly. Then, plug the AC cover, insert the waterproof module and tighten the rear cover. Installation of smart meter. Install the smart meter to the ding rail and clipped it well. Install the CT in the direction of house to grid. Connect the meter communication cable of the inverter to the smart meter. Now the installation of the inverter has been finished. Next, let's do the configuration. Configuration via SolarGo. First, you need to download SolarGo app. Open phone setting, search the Wi-Fi signal. Connect solar Wi-Fi. The password is 12345678. Open Solar Go app and refreshing the home page. Select the device, there will be some basic data of inverter on home and parameters page. Click More. Basic setting. The default password is Goodwe 2010. Then you can choose your safety code and your work mode. Finally, don't forget to select battery model. That's all for the ET 5 to 10 kW unboxing and installation. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of Goodwe training series, please visit our Goodwe community and stay tuned to our official account.